Tommy, the no-armed Chinese fella, is on his day off, and he's got to go recruit souls for the devil with Jim J and Charlie M. And he's doing just that. And he's a little dizzy because he's been knocking on a few doors. And they're not really expecting, especially when they take notes on your habits, when you're home and not home and all of that. They are not expecting Harry to be home. But yeah, he knocks on that door and they're coughing on the doorknob and licking the mail, and he says, "What the hell are you doing?" And the false prophet has taught them well. They take off a running.